Hey everybody, this is Danny here with Danny Reviews. If you own a Model Y Juniper, check out this center console organizer kit. It's going to come with this silicone tray here with a spot for your sunglasses. If you lift this up, down there, there's more silicone bottoms to keep everything clean. Everything's cut perfectly. So now you can pull that out. You can clean that as needed. And I like this part here because you have three spots, three cubbies, a spot for your sunglasses. Everything's labeled, which is nice. Some extra spots to put your stuff in. It also comes with this silicone cup holder, which is really nice. So you can put that in there. It fits perfect, right? It shows a little cup image. Now, if your cups, leak or anything gets dirty in there, that comes right out and you can wash that. Then check this out. So it comes with this drawer. It has the carbon fiber look right here. This slides. Again, more storage, more cubby holes, right? You have 4 spots here. Put some change. This comes off to clean. So you get this whole storage that slides out. And then it comes with another silicone bottom down there for the bottom to line that up. So everything is protected. Everything is going to prevent, any spillage, any debris, any dirt. And when you want to clean stuff out, everything just comes straight up and you can rinse everything out. Now, here's the cool part. I haven't installed it yet. There's some sticky tape here. Look at that cutout. Look at this. This fits right there. This door opens. It's open as you can see. I'm going to install it, but I haven't done actually made for it to be cooler. So picture that, right? It's a drawer. You could put your registration. You could put like a badge or anything like that you don't want anybody to see that maybe you use for work all the time. And when you're not using it, you can close that and magnetically stay shut, and that will stay. It's made perfect for that cubby hole. Kind of takes this little indent right here and turn it into an extra little storage container for you. So really cool. Everything just fits nicely. I really love the black, and it just matches the Model Y. This is a great accessory. If you're looking for some more organization in your center console on your Model Y Juniper edition, then you need to check out this organization kit. Shout out to the company for giving me this so I could do this review.